Good morning, my friends. I hope you enjoyed your science experiment yesterday. I certainly do. I love every Wednesday, but I also love every day. And today we have a super nice art activity actually to do with your vertebrates and invertebrates. We are continuing with zoology today, but first we have to welcome in the day. Are you ready? The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien y tú también. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Me, I'm fine, and you are too. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Well, how are you on this beautiful... what day is it today? Let's take a look. So, we know yesterday was Wednesday, right? Because it was science experiment day. So if yesterday was Wednesday, that means tomorrow will be math day, which is Friday, which means today is, yes, Thursday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? My friends, what is the weather like with you today? Oh, well here it's very cloudy actually. So I'm going to sing about the clouds. You choose the word that best suits your weather and we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. Today is Zoology Day, and we are looking again at vertebrates and invertebrates. So let's remind ourselves, what is a vertebrate? What classification of animal is a vertebrate? Right, there are 5 classifications of animals that are vertebrates. Animals that have a backbone. A backbone. You can feel your backbone there. You see how high you can reach up? How high can you get? Wow! So those 5 classifications are mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and fish. What about invertebrates? Do they have a backbone? No, they don't have a backbone. So I don't know about you, but I had to do a bit of research last week to find out which animals were invertebrates. And do you remember? I didn't find many hunting around the house. I had to make my own, like a jellyfish. So today we are going to make some fingerprint art and make a T-chart of those classifications of animals that are invertebrates, and we are also going to compare them to invertebrates. We are going to make some thumbprint art on one side and some fingerprint art of some vertebrates and some fingerprint art of invertebrates. So as you can see, this is a very simple setup today. I pre-made my chart. So I wrote vertebrate on one side, invertebrate on the other side. This is what we call a T-chart. I guess you could draw a line underneath to make it look more like a T. And it's so you can easily compare your vertebrates to your invertebrates, and you can look at it straight away and know the differences between each. But we are going to do our fingerprint art on each side. Now you could also have a chart like this, and you could have images that you could just stick on as well. There's lots of things you can do with it if you wanted to keep it out as a work on your shelf. And all I have is dots of paint. These are the paint colors I have in the house. And I have a marker so I can draw in little images of the animals that I am going to do. Ready? Using art to make charts and comparisons in science and in all other areas of the curriculum. It's really nice. So a chart is basically what we just drew. And we call it a T-chart because it has a line down the middle and an imaginary line at the top, where on one side we had vertebrates written And on the other side, it had invertebrates, so it kind of looks like a T. And then by having the pictures and images in each side, you can look at them and you can compare. Oh, what is the difference between this and this? Oh, that reptile has a vertebrate, that reptile has a backbone. Oh, that jellyfish does not have a backbone. You see, and you can look at it straight away and you know which is an invertebrate and which is a vertebrate. Kind of cool, huh? You can do that in any way you want. You could even take two big hula hoops, the ones that you spin around your body, and you could find your animals that you had for the past couple of weeks and put them in one side if they're vertebrates and the other side if they're invertebrates and make labels for the top. How cool is that? You think of any other activities you want with that. We are going to finish off today because we're still studying Europe with a little nursery rhyme that's also about a very small town in the UK called Gloucester in England, and it goes like this. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to his middle and never went there again. It's kind of one of those silly ones, but if you stepped in a puddle that big, would you want to go to the same place again? I wouldn't. Let's finish off today with some delicate breathing. Delicate breathing. Delicate is something when you're very gentle, very calm, very careful. So we're going to breathe in and out very gently. Breathe in and out. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for math day, but I hope you have fun with your finger thumbprint vertebrates and invertebrates today. Goodbye.